We guide you through how to see sent follow requests on Instagram so you can track pending connections. First thing you need to do is open your Instagram app on your phone and go to your profile by tapping your picture or profile picture at the bottom right. Next, tap the menu, three horizontal lines at the top right, and select Settings. From there, go to Privacy, then Connections, and tap Current Follow Request or accounts you've requested. The exact wording may vary depending on your version. This will display a list of all the users you've sent follow requests to the haven't accepted yet. You can choose to cancel any pending request by tapping requested next to their name. This method helps you manage who you are waiting on and clean up pending follow requests if needed.